take a nice deep breath and relax. Throughout this meditation, we will work towards removing limiting beliefs you carry around yourself and thinking to generate joy and freedom. To begin, find a comfortable position. Become aware of how your body feels. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your body begin to relax. Imagine that you are breathing in relaxation. Breathe out through your mouth forcefully, blowing out the air. Imagine expelling tension every time you exhale. As you fall deeper and deeper into relaxation, think backwards through your day. Allow these thoughts to come in and out of your mind, releasing any moments of tension, frustration, allowing the moments of joy and happiness to fill your body with a calming warmth. Now, as you breathe in, allow all of these warm thoughts to fill you up. And as you exhale, release them all. Breathe in again and exhale as if you are blowing out a candle. Blowing away tension. Breathe slowly and gently. In and out. Continue to take calm breaths as you focus on relaxing your body. Notice how each area of your body I mentioned relaxes as soon as you hear the word relax. Relax. Imagine a ball of white light at the top of your body above your head. Allow the light to travel in your head, releasing the tension of your eyes, jaw, temples. Relax. Now the light moves down your shoulders and into your neck. As you exhale, allow those muscles to relax. The warming, comforting ball of light begins to travel down your arms to relax your wrists. And inhale, hold, and as you exhale, all of the muscles in your arm begin to relax. The ball of light travels to your back as you inhale. Clench the muscles of your back and hold. And as you exhale, allow all the tension in your upper and lower back to relax. With each breath you take, your body relaxes deeper and deeper. Your mind grows calmer and calmer. Your body is ready to sleep, and you feel it relax more deeply with each breath, allowing your mind and body to grow tired. The ball of light travels down to your hips and thighs, and as you exhale, they relax even more deeply. The calming, compassionate, warm ball of light now travels down to your knees and calves and release the tension. They relax deeply as you are relaxing and falling deeper and deeper into your subconscious mind. The ball of light now travels down to your ankles and feet. And as you exhale, all of the tension in your body releases. Scan your body now for any remaining areas of tension. Focus your attention on these areas, relaxing them more and more. With your inhales, allow the ball of warming, calming light to travel up to the tense areas remaining in your body. And as you exhale, allow the ball of light to fill those areas with warmth and relaxation. Now that your body has started to become more and more relaxed, pay attention to your breath as you start counting backwards from 300. 300, 299, 298, 297. It is okay if you lose your place as you fall in and out of sleep. 296, 295, 294, 293. Just allow yourself to pick back up from where you remember and bring your focus back to counting till you fall deeper and deeper into relaxation. 292, 291, 290, 289. Allow these numbers to relax you fully. Each time you count, allow your body and mind to become even more relaxed and calm. I release all doubts I have about myself. I abandon thoughts that no longer serve me. I let go of all negativity. I feel my negative thoughts slowly melting away. I acknowledge my thoughts and I let them go. I abandon old habits and choose new positive ones. I let go of impatience and trust in the universe's plan. I choose the contents of my life. Obstacles are now falling away easily. I no longer resist the lessons I am learning. Other people do not control my emotions, I do. I am filled with positive actions. I release things that no longer serve me. I welcome positivity into my life. I am at peace with what is happening. Today is a clean slate. I am gentle with myself and others. I release the need to replay situations in my mind. Today, I welcome health and happiness. I transform negative energy into love and light. I forgive myself and release my worries to the universe. Right now, I choose to be at peace with myself. I release all thoughts that no longer serve me well. I create my own happiness in my life. I allow my thoughts to drift to a peaceful place. I'm making every effort to forgive myself and others. With each breath, I relax my muscles in my body and release tension. I am filled with the love and universal power within. Today, I choose to release all barriers that are holding me back. I choose to no longer hold myself back. I release any worries of unimportant things. With every breath I take, I allow my mind to relax deeply. I choose to react in a positive way in all situations. I am what I think, so I choose to think positive, fulfilling, and loving thoughts. On each exhale, I release old negative thought patterns. I create my own space for satisfaction. I choose to make happiness my number one goal in life. Each day, I am awakened with an attitude of gratitude. I let go of all of the tension within me. I am open to a deep calmness inside of me. I release all anxiety and fear I have about myself and my life. I let go of what I can't change and do my best with what I can. I am relaxing every part of my body. I release myself from stress. My body is calm. I find joy in the little things. I am safe in this very moment. I acknowledge my own self-worth. I can become calm and still as long as I allow myself to breathe, and I return myself to breathing anytime I feel a sense of anxiety or fear. My path is carved towards living a life I love, and I can walk it. My understanding is expanding with each breath. I am choosing to be at peace with what has happened in my life, what is happening in my life, and what will happen in my life. There are positive outcomes in my life that I'm not yet aware, but I trust that they are coming, and I release all anxiety, doubt, and fear I have around them. Clarity of mind is available to me. I can find joy in all of the little things. I am fully equipped to create what I want and need. I can choose to focus on the blessings. I become stronger and stronger every second. There is so much to be grateful for in my life. I can choose to replace my feelings of anxiety and distress with peace in any moment. I thrive, I prosper, and I have joy. There is good coming into my life, and it arrives sooner than I expect every time. I can be guided by a higher power in every step, as long as I release my fears, anxiety, and distress. I possess the qualities I need to find solutions. I am gradually opening up to feel inner peace. I believe my potential and purpose are divine. I am closer to finding what I am looking for and to living my vision. I am finding the courage to take the next step, and I always take the right step. The truth is, I am blessed, I am loved, and I am supported. I surrender to the greater plan beyond my understanding, and I release fear, doubt, and anxiety that I have surrounding it. I release control to the universe, so I no longer carry anxiety, stress, or doubt. I love it when I feel relaxed, happy, and free. Everything that is happening now is truly for my highest good. I am stronger than I think I am. Everything is temporary, and it is only a short phase of my life. My efforts are being supported by a force greater than me. There is so much in my life to look forward to, and I trust the process. I am able to slow down and take slow breaths. I trust there is a way to create what I want. I am divine, and being calm and still is a part of my nature. Life always works for me. I am at peace on the inside no matter what happens on the outside. I focus my energy on my dreams and goals. My mind can be at ease and my body relaxed. I prefer feeling calm, clear, and focused. When I focus on ideas, I can help manifest my dreams. Things happen in divine order and in divine timing. I am training myself to become curious, joyful, and full of wonder. I release all doubts I have surrounding myself. I release all anxiety I have surrounding my life, and I release all fear I have for what's to come. Thank you, universe. I release all doubts I have and trust that you will guide me on the right path. Thank you.